Good girl. Charlie, you shouldn't get any. You haven't done anything. Good girl, Janie. Good girl. Charlie, stop stealing treats. No wonder you don't learn anything. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. How many you got left? 2 left. Can you do the last 2? Good girl. In the corner one. And you dropped the other one way at the other end of the table. Are you going to go get it? 1 left. Where is it, Janie?